We return with Kurt Scott of the Dragon Style, Long Ying Kung Fu. We have a very exciting news on the 16th of December. There's going to be a premiere of his film, The Celtic Dragon, and it's his journey from, I suppose we could say, west to east, Kurt, rather than east to west.
Know that I'm doing Long Ying Dragon style martial arts for coming up on 40 years now. And somewhere along the way I had kind of an idea that I wanted to try and capture everything that I've done over the years. In my life, things have kind of just came to me at the right time. When I need something, it happens. So things just come when I need them. As I suppose fate would have, almost 2 years ago, I got a client in. He had some serious issues going on in the knees. Anyway, he wasn't getting anywhere. He came to me. So within 4 to 5 sessions, we kind of had him good. He was back walking a lot. Clicking that was there, the popping that was in the knee joints had gone out of the knees. And I think he was astonished, to be honest. He said, when I'm in here, I noticed that when other people are coming out, that they're singing your praises. And he said, what you do is fascinating. Would you be ever interested in putting it into some kind of a documentary? It wouldn't be something that I'd do unless it was absolutely spot on. He just said, okay, so I'm your man. I'm a filmmaker. He says, I've made some well-known documentaries. I work with some, big industry. So I said, okay, let's give it a shot.
Well, I'm blessed to know you, and I know that you are heading to China again. You've had a really big year. It's been an amazing to watch you progress. I'm very honored to be even to sit down and have a meal with you and chat to you. It's been great. I always say to any of my colleagues, if you go to Kurt's clinic, you feel like you're going home. You feel like, you're sat at home with a brother. There's no pretense. This is what it is. It's real. This is what we do. There's no showing off. And I think it's fantastic. I know your earlier life wasn't so easy, but I think those kinds of things shape you and strengthen you and have led you to where you're at.
So what I say to people is, it's never too late. Age is only a number. Even if you haven't been using it, yeah, you mightn't get up and start moving the way I do straight away, but you will eventually. And certainly if you train with me, you will, because I'll get you there. It's just about training, being active, because we all have to be active. And that's another thing that we will end up discussing is movement.
Wanted to really explore that link between the kind of the fascination I had about how you could hurt or how you could heal using the same system. So it was only natural that at some stage through Kung Fu I was going to turn to this. I've always liked healing people. It's very important to me is to see people, doing well. I get a good feeling out of helping people and making sure that they're the best version of them. Anything that you're truly interested in, you can get very good at. You put the hours in, you put the time in, you have the interest, it'll happen.